So I'm currently on day 4 of practitioner training, and my goodness, what a journey, and what an incredible journey. The highlights, many too many to mention, but for me personally, it's the lightness that seems to have got lighter day by day. Um, you come in really not knowing what to expect. Loving EFT was there, but now, can I say I'm in love with it? Quite possibly. It's just transformed so many parts of me, and I know I've not even scratched the surface yet. Can't wait to continue on this wonderful journey for myself and hopefully all the people I'm going to be able to help. And Tamara and Peter are amazing at sharing all the information that there is to learn. The information's put across in such a lovely way, and there's lots of practicing of the techniques that eventually they all just become, hopefully, second nature. So the really good bit about training with Peter and Tamara is that they are so welcoming. They allow you to come in with anything that you bring with you, and together, and literally as a couple, they hold you. You feel really supported by them both. And there'll be moments when one of them will step forward because that's what they feel is right, and then at another moment maybe the other one will step forward and cover something or cover a topic that's needed. They bounce off each other so well that they're one great big person on their own, really. So as a two, they make one beautifully. They work together is just amazing to watch. Almost makes you want to be able to have that yourself. It's seamless, and the way they run their training is just beautiful. So if you're in a place of thinking of maybe coming on an EFT day, or even maybe the practitioner training, you really don't need to look anywhere else. You've found the place you've been looking for. It's just beautiful. Peter and Tamara together will hold you so tenderly to take you on your journey, however long your journey is going to be. You're in the right place if you come here to start or continue your journey.